Hello, how are you today? I hope it's been a great one. I know that I'm changing things up a little bit since I've moved spaces. I'm going to post videos about my workshops on Thursdays, and then I'm going to try and post videos about informational stuff, all of my teaching on Sundays or Mondays. So I know things are changing it up. I hope you can change with me, and I hope it doesn't bug you too much. Of course, as always, I'm Lene Rhodes with Cosmetiques, your custom, sociable, eco-friendly makeup, and I'm going to talk about the custom part today. And so if you have questions about my new space, where I'm located, what I'm doing over the next month or two, let me know. Put a question down below or send me a message. I always love questions. It gives me ideas about what to post next. So today I'm talking about workshops, things that I am doing in the shop every Thursday and Friday. There's going to be a different workshop. It's going to change up. I have 18 of them. So that means if you see something you like, it's probably not going to come around for another 4 or 5 months. So you got to do it while you see it. Today and tomorrow, I have been doing bath bombs. So Thursdays and Fridays, I did last week lip gloss, today's bath bombs, and I'm going to just show you a little bit about what's fun when you come and do a workshop, what makes it different. So I got the ingredients. I've got some baking soda here. I've got citric acid here. I have some tapioca starch. I have some Epsom salt. I have a little Himalayan sea salt. I've got all kinds of petals, I've got herbs, I've got fixed oils. So basically you come in, you get to play with my ingredients instead of investing $100, $200, $300 in these ingredients, and you still might not know how to do it. Pinterest doesn't know everything. It's really nice to have a person walk you through the process when you're first making something. So you do get to fully make your own product. And then once it's made, you put it in the mold and you get to take fully formed bath bombs home with you. So today I had a gal come in and she said, I've been wanting to try it. I bought all the ingredients, but I've seen so many failures, I was afraid that it was not going to work. And she went home with 3 wonderful big bath bombs that she got to scent herself. She put her own color in. She put some green clay. I put purple cornflower petals on the table because I think those are super pretty. So those are wonderfully soothing and healing for your skin. Himalayan, things like Himalayan sea salt add all sorts of minerals and vitamins to your body. Epsom salt is full of sulfur and is healing. So I will bring out all of the ingredients that you might want to try and let you create your perfect product every single Thursday and Friday. So next Thursday and Friday, it's lip balms. The Thursday and Friday after that, I'm doing something really fun. I'm doing some emulsified sugar scrub. And then Halloween comes around and I am doing make your own Halloween makeup. So come on in on Halloween and create that perfect look to go with your costume. So I've got some really fun stuff ahead and hoping you can join me. So this is a little bit about the workshops and what you would be doing. I hope you'll have a great week and I'll see you next week.